Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than most of us can understand. AI can now write stories, create art, compose music, even talk like a human being. Some people are excited, some are afraid, and many are asking, is AI replacing humanity? But maybe there's another question we should ask. When humans create intelligence, are we unknowingly reflecting the intelligence of our Creator? We usually think of technology as something humans invented. But think about this. Mathematics already existed before computers existed. The patterns of logic, the laws of physics, the structure of mathematics. Humans did not create those things. We discovered them. 2 plus 2 was already 4 before the first human being was born. The universe already operated with astonishing order. So maybe coding is not creating order from chaos. Maybe coding is discovering the order God already built into creation. Modern AI is built using something called neural networks. Interestingly, these systems were inspired by the human brain. The more scientists study intelligence, the more they keep finding patterns already present in nature. In other words, even our smartest machines are borrowing ideas from God's creation. AI can imitate intelligence, but it cannot create a soul. It can process information, but it cannot love, worship, forgive, or pray. But there's another side to this story. AI reflects not only human brilliance, but also human brokenness. Machines learn from us. If humans feed anger, greed, lies, hatred, and corruption into systems, the systems begin reflecting those same things back to society. The problem is not only the machine. The deeper problem is the human heart behind the machine. The deeper we study creation, the more we find order, beauty, structure, harmony. From the spiral of galaxies to the design of DNA, mathematics appears everywhere. Even AI-generated beauty often follows patterns already found in nature. It's almost as if creation itself has a built-in signature, a fingerprint of intelligence, a whisper of the Creator. Some people fear that AI will become humanity's new God. But technology has always been a tool. Fire can warm a home or destroy a city. The internet can spread truth or spread darkness. AI is no different. Technology itself is not evil. The real question is, who is guiding the human heart using it? Perhaps AI should not make us worship machines. Perhaps it should humble us even more. Because the more intelligence we create, the more astonishing the original Creator appears. Human engineers build systems requiring enormous power, data, and maintenance. Yet God designed a universe that sustains itself across billions of galaxies. Human programmers struggle with bugs and failures. Yet God designed DNA systems that repair themselves. The deeper we go into technology, the more we may actually be walking deeper into awe. AI may become one of the greatest tools humanity has ever built, but it will never replace the soul. It will never replace love. It will never replace God. Perhaps the purpose of technology is not to replace the Creator, but to remind us how extraordinary the Creator truly is. So as we enter this new age of artificial intelligence, may we pursue wisdom more than power, truth more than control, and God more than machines. Because behind every line of code, every law of mathematics, every spark of intelligence, there is still one greater, the original architect. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of His hands. Psalm 19:1. AI changes the world, but God remains eternal.